Be rewarded with Swagbucks, the web's premier digital dollar. Every day, over 1 billion people around the world go online to search the web, make purchases, share opinions, answer questions, play games, socialize, and more. For most folks, all that activity can result in a pile of bills, spam, and wasted time. But what if there were one trusted location where you could do all those same activities and earn virtual currency in the process? Currency which you could use to get anything from gift cards, electronics, MP3s, video games, and more. And better yet, what if it was all free? Well, that's the idea behind Swagbucks. What are Swagbucks? They're sort of like frequent flyer miles for being online. There are many different ways to earn Swagbucks, and regardless of how many or few you've accumulated, you can always find great prizes in the Swag Store, which can be yours for free. No strings, no gimmicks. It's really that simple. Start today by completing your free registration and downloading our toolbar. Soon you'll be winning Swagbucks periodically as you search the web. Then join our community on Facebook, Twitter, and beyond to discover more great ways to earn Swagbucks. If you're already doing it online, you should be rewarded with Swagbucks, the web's premier digital dollar.